A small business owner, let's call her Karen, has noticed her ads started to convert like crazy. Karen doesn't want to miss out on the opportunity to get the most out of her paid campaigns. She doubles the campaign budget to grow reach and get twice as many conversions. But something goes wrong. Instead of driving more conversions, campaigns hardly deliver any at all. If you've ever tried to scale your ad campaigns, you might have seen every time you push up your budgets, the performance fluctuates just as it did in Karen's case. Sounds familiar? But I have good news. There are a few ways to scale Facebook ads without ruining performance. Want to learn how? Cool, like and subscribe for money and financial growth related videos with new uploads every Wednesday. Thanks for subscribing and welcome to the family, Ohana. Let's get into the video. Now let us highlight the most common issues that prevent your campaigns from showing exceptional performance metrics when you try to scale your Facebook ads. When you target a niche audience, you can't scale because you don't have much room to grow. Increasing campaign budgets too quickly results in poor performance as Facebook algorithms need time to learn and optimize for ads performance. When duplicating best-performing ads, you might start targeting overlapping audiences, meaning your reach doesn't grow at all. If you start testing different Facebook audiences when scaling your ads, the CPAs and the quality of leads will inevitably fluctuate. Here are tips and hacks that I use for scaling my clients' Facebook campaigns, and if they worked for me, they will definitely work for you. So don't just throw the money into existing campaigns. Tip 1. Review the frequency of your ad campaigns. You can check the frequency of your Facebook ad campaign. Go to Facebook Ads Manager. Set the reporting period to the past 30 days, select the delivery report, and review the frequency per ad campaign. Review the frequency of your ad campaigns. A frequency lower than 3 points shows that you still have room to scale the campaign budget. A frequency between 3-6 points means that you may get more results when adding extra budget, but the cost per result will probably be slightly higher. A frequency higher than 6 points is a sign that you shouldn't put more money into the ad campaign. You will simply reach the same people a lot more times, but they likely won't convert at a higher level. If your ad campaigns already have a high frequency, you should look into other tactics like expanding your target audience or adding new creatives to your ad sets. We'll get into that later in the video. However, if your ad campaign frequency is low and you want to scale up the budget, it would be smart to use the approach introduced in the next point. Tip 2. Use a scaling strategy. There's no need to reinvent the wheel to scale your Facebook ads successfully. Basically, there are just two strategies you should choose between. Horizontal scaling, vertical scaling. Horizontal scaling involves duplicating existing campaigns or adding ad sets in order to reach larger audiences. The horizontal scaling strategy works best when you need to scale ads immediately. If you do it right, you can increase your investment by as many times as you want without the need to patiently scale your budget bit by bit, as vertical scaling requires. The problem with horizontal scaling is that when you clone campaigns, audience overlap may occur, and your campaigns will compete against each other. To avoid it, you'll need to target different audiences with every ad set. Using lookalike audience is the most common technique when it comes to horizontal scaling. It's important that you don't change any other element of your winning ads, including AD copy, landing page, campaign schedule, placements, etc. This is because the setup has already proved effective.